whatever you got going on in your life today, this week. Just remember, take it one thing at a time. Clear your mind when you need it. And just crush it. Just kill it. Just make what you're doing what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Time to work, baby. Go one more. Look at all those chickens. I should fucking... Woo! Don't get too Cindy.
I press the button and the doors go up. Whoa, that money clip us now, the new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage friends on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a peep.
Yeah. Shit happens, you know.
That was nice.
I'm not crying, it was just snow. Yo, Kyle, post-fall interview.
How you feel?
Kinda hurt. I kinda feel this right now.
Yeah, nice.
Jake, you look like a 9.
Good fall, good fall.
I press the button